Okay, George and Shannon coming to you with an unboxing.
Oops, fingers.
Fingers. Real deal magnet fishing. Proud to present Centurion Magnetics Alpha Series 2400 clamp magnet. Let's take a look and see. Nice little box. I already did the thread lock on it so we can take it fishing today. And here we go.
Look at this beautiful beast whipping. Turn it sideways. Ooh. Ooh. Don't you dare get that near my phone. It's beautiful.
The Alpha Series 2400 clamp magnet by Centurion Magnetics. I'm going to name this the Swamp Monster.
Monster.
Swamp Monster. Whatever. Anyway, we're taking it out for the maiden voyage today, and hopefully we catch something big and good.
In about a week and a half, I'll have the 1400 because I can't do nothing that monster.
Yeah, she should have hers in about a week and a half.
No. Oh, look at that. I didn't mean to yell. It scared me. Watch them when they start pulling. Oh! Oh, wait. We got a tiny knife. It wants it. It wants it. Oh!
And it opened up.
Ooh! And you can't get it off. It's strong, man.
Never again.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. 2400 clamp magnet. Shannon's 1400 clamp magnet will be in probably about a week and a half.
We had to show it when it was still pretty because it's getting ready to get dirty.
It's getting ready to get nasty, dirty. The Swamp Monster coming at you.
Go.
Forgot about this. Centurion Magnetics and a rope.
In a nice bag.
In a nice bag.
Got Centurion, the little horsey. Night on the horsey.
And it says rope right on the front.
Rope. Don't
Right.
unroll it until we get out.
Yeah. Very nice rope. Very nice carabiner. Very
Can
nice.
you pull it up here? There you go. Yay.
Joshua, thank you, brother.
Thank
Appreciate
you, man.
It. Really appreciate it.
He sent us stickers and a tutorial video access card and a nice note and everything, man.
Yeah. Very good people at Centurion Magnetics. Go check them out. The code is Shannon10. You get a 10% discount. Again, rope.
You can't get a clamp magnet for that anywhere else, man.
Yeah, the price on this is just unbelievable.
High quality.
High quality magnets and
Quality.
And Josh, thank you again. Again, the code is Shannon10.